Check if item is in an array, list. If I've got an array of strings, can I check to see if a string is in the array without doing a for loop? Specifically, I'm looking for a way to do it within an if statement, so something like this.
Assuming you mean list where you say array, you can do. This works for any collection, not just for lists. For dictionaries, it checks whether the given key is present in the dictionary.
I'm also going to assume that you mean list when you say array. Sven Marnak's solution is good. If you are going to be doing repeated checks on the list, then it might be worth converting it to a set or frozen set, which can be faster for each check. Assuming your list of STRs is called subjects.
Use a lambda function. Let's say you have an array. Check whether 5 is in nums in Python 3x. Check whether 5 is in nums in Python 2.7. This solution is more robust. You can now check whether any number satisfying a certain condition is in your array nums. For example, check whether any number that is greater than or equal to 5 exists in nums.
You have to use values for arrays. For example, say you have data frame which has a column name e, test name, you can do. For a normal list you don't have to use values.
Bye-bye.